Stay positive, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome Jimboy, Franco, Bailey, and Ilona, ang ating Teen Big Four.
Because it's a 10th anniversary, we'd like to give you a special treat from this show called PBB. If it wasn't for you guys, the housemates won't realize the true meaning of life.
Like the clouds in the sky, like the flowers on the field, the true meaning of life. You should always have the will to go on and on and on and on, even when it's hard. Stay positive.
Kabataan ng pag-asa ng bayan, huwag mawalan ng lakas na loob. Puso ay tibayan, positibo, na pananawang kailangan pa irali negatibo. Ay pakawalan sa isip at damdamin, namnaman natin na dapat tayo ang inspirasyon at malaman sa atin katotohanan at di ilusyon. Ito ang gabay at maging tulay at nang sa isip ibaon. Ang bahay ni Kuya ay nagpatunay sa loob ng 10 taon.
Magbibigay pugay, kaakibat tagumpay, lakas ng loob, tiwala sa may kapal, malangin lang, patuloy, tuloy, tuloy, tuloy. Even when it's hard, you stay positive. Like the clouds in the sky,
Like the flowers on the field, the true meaning of life. You should always have the will to go on and on and on and on, even when it's hard. You stay positive. Like the clouds in the sky, like the flowers on the field, the true meaning of life. You should always have the will to go on and on and on and on, even when it's hard. You stay positive. Ooh, 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 ooh.
yeah, yeah.
Stay positive.
Yay! Yan po ay original song na kinumpos mismo ng ating Teen Big Four. Napaka-talented nyo namang apat, ang Stay Positive. Nakakagulat si Franco. Ang ganda din pala ng boses mo, Franco.
Thank you po.
And of course, dahil naabutan ninyong apat ang aming ika-10 taong anibersaryo, meron ba kayong mensahe para kay Kuya? What is your message to Kuya?
Wow. Thank you so much for accommodating us, the housemates in the house, you know, when we were in the house before. And praise to you for, 10 years. Just good job and keep it up, and thank you so much.
And congratulations dahil naging bahagi kayo ng 10th year anniversary ng Pinoy Big Brother. Thank you very much, Teen Big Four. Dahil aabangan pa natin kung ano ang susunod na task sa inyo ni Kuya. Dahil sa mga susunod na araw, meron pa pong ibibigay na hamon sa kanila si Kuya. Pero ngayon, ay babalikan natin ang mga housemates sa kanyang bahay dahil